morning class. Welcome back to your maths class. Today we will study second chapter of your NCERT notebook, that is linear equation in one variable. And the topics which we will cover today is introduction of linear equation and algebra, algebraic expression and equation, what are they, linear equations and its parts, how to solve linear equation. These things we will study in this video or in this lecture. Let's start with it. First we will study what is algebra. So algebra came from an Arabic word named as al-jabr, which means reunion of all broken parts. Next, so it is simple, means with this you can say that if we unite all the broken parts, it becomes a algebraic equation. Let's say like this. So we can say that uniting different parts with mathematical operators is called algebra. Simpler if we are writing 2x plus 3y plus 4x plus 7y etc., that will be your algebraic expression. Simple algebraic equation will be x equals to 1, where x is a variable and 1 is a constant. Next topic is what is expression and what is equation. Let's read this also. Expression plus equality means if we add equality sign to a expression, it becomes equation. Now let's study what is expression and equation separately. Now this expression, it is without equality. There isn't any equality sign in expression. Can be solved only when value of variable is given. This either you cannot solve this without a value of variable. Okay, if there is a value of variable, then only you can get the answer of this. Otherwise you can simply simplify this out, but you will not be able to find the actual value of that expression. Like in the example, it is given 5x plus 3. Over here it is given 5x plus 3. That shows that only when we get the value of x, it's given that find the value of this given expression if x equals to 2, then only we can find the value of this expression. Otherwise there won't be any value of this expression. Equation on the other hand, it is with equality sign and it can be solved. This can be solved even if value of variable is not given. We can find out the value of variable. In this, as it is 5x plus 3 equals to 2. Now here you can clearly see there is equality sign, this equals to, and this is the expression 5x plus 3. Adding equality sign to it makes it equation. Now next, from this things will get clear to you. First let me say this is something given, 3x plus 5 equals to 20. 3 is attached to a variable, x will be a variable. 3 is attached to a variable, therefore it will be called as coefficient. 3 is a coefficient, x is a variable. This as 1 is known as one term. 5 is a constant term. There isn't any variable with it, therefore it is called as constant. This term, two terms combining together is known as expression. At single it is just one term. When we combine two terms, it becomes an expression. When we put equality sign also, it becomes equation. Now next, algebraic expressions. Now what is algebraic expressions? There are different type of expressions. Monomial, where there is only one term. Like this is just one term. When there are two terms, it becomes binomial. When there are three terms, it becomes trinomial. And there is the same thing in expression also. Any integer attached to a variable is known as coefficient. This is a variable and this is its degree. This x raised power 2, a power is known as degree. This we will call as degree in algebraic form. This is also another variable y. This is coefficient. These are also variable x and y. And this is constant 4. Now types of algebraic equations. There are different type of algebraic equation according to their power or degree, and number of variables, like linear equation which we will study today. If the power or a degree of a variable is 1, then the given equation will be linear. See over here, 3x plus 4 equals to 5, or 6x plus 8y equals to 9. That shows that x has a power or a degree 1. Therefore, it will be a linear equation. When a variable will have a power 1, it will be a linear equation. On the other hand, we have quadratic equation. When the degree or a power of a variable is 2, maximum degree or a power of a variable is 2, it becomes quadratic equation. Let's see over here, 4x square. Now the power of a variable is 2, or we can say the degree of a variable is 2. When the maximum degree of a variable is 2, it becomes quadratic equation. If we remove the equality sign, equals to sign from here, it becomes expression also. Cubic equation, the degree / power of a variable is 3. Whenever a degree or a power becomes maximum power is 3 for a variable, over here let's say 5x cube plus 2x square minus 3x minus 5 equals to 0. This shows that variable has a maximum power 3, therefore it will be a cubic equation. This you will study in next class, but you should have a basic knowledge of this, what are linear, quadratic and cubic equations. Next is polynomials. Polynomial equation, all these are polynomial equations only. That means when we have any equation in the form of ax raised to power n, where n could be any degree, then it is known as polynomial equation. If x has a 0 degree, then it will be like simple constant polynomial. Now to the next part, how to solve a linear equation. This is what we will be studying today, how to solve a linear equation. It is very simple, you have done it before also. Let's say this is a question, 5x plus 4 equals to 14. Simply first we will transpose this 4 from left hand side to right hand side. When we transpose this, it becomes 5x equals to 14 minus 4. मीन्स हम इस 4 को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से राइट हैंड साइड ले जाएंगे. जब राइट हैंड साइड लेके जाएंगे, इट्स साइन विल आल्सो गेट कन्वर्टेड. इसका साइन भी क्या हो जाएगा, चेंज. एज सून एज द साइन गेट चेंज, इट बिकम्स 14 minus 4. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप, 5x will be equals to 10. 14 minus 4 is 10. Next, x will be equals to 10 upon 5. Just to remove this 5 from this variable, we'll divide both the side with 5. And it become x equals to 10 upon 5. Further, answer will be 10 divided by 5 is 2, so x equals to 2. So we got the answer of a variable, that is 2. This is our chapter linear equation. Over here also it is given the variable is x, equality sign is this, and it becomes equation. Let's take one example. We have to solve this exercise number 2.1 with using transpose method. Now what is transpose? We just need to write it on the question answer solution itself that we are doing transpose. Like over here, it is 2y plus 9 equals to 4. What it is? It is 2y plus 9 equals to 4. So first we'll take this 9 towards right hand side. So we will write transposing 9 to RHS, and it becomes 2y plus equals to 4 minus 9, that is 2y equals to minus 5. Now to remove this 2 from y variable, we'll divide both the side with 2 and it becomes y equals to minus 5 by 2, and that's our solution. If we want to check the solution now, what we will do, how can we check it out? We'll put the value of y equals to minus 5 by 2 over here in this part, and we get, putting over here, we get 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 9, that is minus 5 plus 9 equals to 4. Hence this is equals to 4 and RHS is also 4. Therefore we got the right answer. Let's go to the questions. These are the questions. Solve the following equation, and the first equation is x minus 2 equals to 7. Let's solve this. We have to solve this by transposing method. X minus 2 equals to 7. this will be equals to, first step will be, I'm writing first step will be equals to transposing to RHS. We have to transpose this 2 to RHS. We'll move this 2. हम इस 2 को left hand side से right hand side ले जाएंगे. तो what it will become? It will become x equals to 7 plus 2. Because जब हम left hand side से किसी variable या constant को right hand side या right hand side से left side लेके आते हैं, equality के जैसे ही हम उसको change करते हैं दूसरी side, sign also get converts. तो यहाँ पे साइन नेगेटिव है, दूसरी साइड जाके क्या हो जाएगा? पॉजिटिव. दिस इज अ साइन कन्वर्जन, बेसिक साइन कन्वर्जन व्हिच यू हैव स्टडीड इन क्लास 6, 7, 8. Okay, 6 and 7. Now next answer will be x equals to 7 plus 2, that is 9. Hence this is our answer. Let's check this next question, that is y plus 3 equals to 10. This also you can do easily. Over here y is a variable, this is also z. 6 equals to z plus 2. Let's do this one. 6 equals to z plus 2. First transpose 2 to left hand side, and instead of bringing it to right hand side, because all the constant is on, 6 is a constant and it is on left hand side, we'll take this also on the left hand side, and it becomes 6 minus 2, because 2 is positive over here it becomes minus 2 equals to z. Further this will be 4 equals to z. We can write it as z equals to 4. Both will be same. That is our solution. Now coming to the next question. This is your question. 3 upon 7 equals to 3 upon 7 plus x equals to 17 upon 7. And we can solve it like this. First we'll this part. This is a fractional part, and we'll transpose from this side to right hand side. So we will write transpose or transposing, anything you can write, 3 by 7 to right hand side, and it will become x equals to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Now as the denominators are same, we can easily write x equals to 7, 17 minus 3, that gives you x equals to 14 by 7, and that is 2. Hence x equals to 2 is your answer. X equals to 2 is your answer. And this is how you can solve this whole exercise. This is very easy exercise, and you have to complete this exercise in your notebook. One more thing I will like to add in this. Always remember, if you are ever asked in a competition, what type of graph do linear equation draw? What type of graphs do linear equation draw? Linear equations always draw straight line graphs. Linear equation always draw straight line graph. If this is x-axis, this is y-axis, then any linear equation, this will be ax plus b equals to c. This is a linear equation. This will always have a straight line.
Please
graph.
like, share and subscribe
for
for more such videos. By the time, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.